happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Uh-oh. There's a wreck up here. Oh, shit.
Like always.
Yeah.
There's always a wreck here.
That car got sideswiped.
You can't see.
T-boned. Dang.
Oh, I see him.
That's crazy. I hope they're okay. I don't know what vehicle hit them.
This one over here, there's a black truck on that light pole.
On the light pole?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, look at the front.
Dang. Alright, so that took a lot longer than expected. But hopefully they're all okay. But anyway, so we are on our way, man, back out to the post office. Because if you did not watch the last video, check it out. The link will be up there. About Doyle sending me something in the mail. So we're headed back to the post office. We're not on the bike because, yeah, I don't know why. But we're in Sky, which if you are new to subscribing to the channel, new subscribers, the Sky is my wife's 2016 17 Jeep Wrangler, and so that's what we're in now. And we're headed to the post office, check out, see what Doyle got us, and then we'll open it up. But again, got our gloves, got our Lysol, and we're gonna make sure we take every precaution that we can. So, all right, kinfolk, we'll see you there in a little bit. All right, kinfolk, we are here. So, we're gonna go, I don't know if I blew in it or spit in that muff, but we're gonna go see what, see if the package is here that Doyle sent out for us. We got it, kinfolk. So, I'm gonna go throw these gloves away.
Spray it down, spray it down.
Already sprayed, yeah. So we had to spray it. We did a little this. Nothing against you, Doyle. It's just what we gotta do nowadays, bro. And yeah, so let me go throw these gloves away and then we'll head out. Look at everybody coming out there. Everybody got masks and gloves, which is good. So we'll open that when we get to the house. We got one more errand to run, and then we'll see what Doyle sent. I think I have an idea already now that I grabbed the package. My package, no, that don't even sound right. We'll be back in a minute. All right, kinfolk. So we had to run to Walmart real quick, man. The wife has to get a couple essential things, and then my mother-in-law is making masks as well, and so she needed some more elastic. But man, let me show you how packed. I mean, I'm pretty sure you are experiencing this as well, but I mean, just people everywhere. It's pretty crazy, man. But I guess that's what we gotta do. And the reason I stayed in the truck or in the Jeep is because this area here is not that safe, man. And I definitely don't want somebody trying to break into my stuff. So that's why I stayed in here. And she went to go get the stuff because she knows what she needs. So, but yeah, it's freaking crazy, y'all. But man, so like I said, man, y'all stay safe out there. Take every precaution that you can because it's definitely needed. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Oh, let me go pick her up. I thought she was gonna have a basket with her. Let's see. Let's see her. She got her mask on and her gloves. Yeah. It's nice and safe for right now. How'd it go, baby?
Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
Find everything?
Yeah, the food. I didn't find nothing for Mom.
No? Alright. So she's gonna clean up, hand sanitize and everything. And then what we
My
got?
feet.
Her feet. Everything?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Alright, we back. Alright, Kimfo, we made it to the house, man. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open this package from Doyle here. Okay, okay. What is this? Holy shit. Okay, I know what they are. Let me see here. See, hey Knuckles. Had this made up for a couple days before the call out. Just took time to make them. If you still locked down, maybe you can wear the pink tutu when install them. I will, bro. I definitely will.
So now I have to really make you a tutu.
Now you're gonna have to make me one. If you can get the material. So when installing them, stay safe, ride safe. The blue bike and Doyle. So, and when I say if she can find the material, because when we just came from Walmart, that's what she was looking for, was some material and some elastic. And at Walmart's, all the material for making masks are gone. So these are freaking dope. So this is going to be for your saddlebag lids, right? So, you know, right now when you open the lid, you've got the material that holds the lid from falling all the way open, right? This is going to replace that. You know what? Let's go look. Let me show y'all. Let's go look real quick. Folks, so this is going to replace these here. Look how sick that is. Fuck, man. Doyle. You outdid yourself, buddy. Man, I appreciate that. These, never even thought of that, bro. That is badass. So yeah, man, there you go. That was the mail from Doyle that he sent over. And I'm stoked, man. These are freaking awesome. Freaking awesome, bro. So yeah, I'll definitely wear the tutu whenever I'm installing these. And then I'll do that video as well. So, but like I said, once I have to do that once we can get the material, or if I can order one. We'll see if I can get one in. So yeah, man, that's it. Kinfolk, I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like, and the share the video if you don't mind. So until next time, stay tuned, because the tutu video will be coming out as soon as I can get everything. As soon as all this crap's over, man, or close to being over, and get a tutu, and we'll get that going too. So yeah, make sure y'all go give Doyle a follow, the blue bike and Doyle. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.